Today to read, I have one of my favorite books. This book was one of your dad's favorite books too. It's called Go Dog Go. I'll bet you've heard this one before. It's pretty well known, but I'd like to read it to you anyway. Dog. Big dog, little dog. Big dogs and little dogs, black and white dogs. Hello. Hello. Do you like my hat? I do not. Goodbye. Goodbye. Do you like her hat? I like a yellow daisy. One little dog going in. It says in. 3 big dogs going out. It's a maze made out of bushes. A red dog on a blue tree. A blue dog on a red tree. A green dog on a yellow tree. Some big dogs and some little dogs going around in cars. Vroom, vroom. Beep, beep. He's honking his horn. Uh-oh. A dog out of a car. Looks like he's got car problems. Good thing he has a wrench. Two big dogs going up. One little dog going down. That looks like fun. The green dog is up. The yellow dog is down. The blue dog is in. The red dog is out. One dog up on a house. 3 dogs down in the water. 1, 2, 3. Look at that dog going right underwater. Do you like to swim? A green dog over a tree. A yellow dog under a tree. He's in a red hammock reading a blue book with a pink pillow. Lots of colors here. 2 dogs in a house, on a boat, in the water. A dog over the water, a dog under the water. That's a diving board. Boing! Hello again. Hello. Do you like my hat? I do not like it. Goodbye again. Goodbye. The dogs are all going around and around and around. This one says, go around again. Whew, it looks like they're going so fast his hat is falling off. The sun is up. The sun is yellow. The yellow sun is over the house. It is hot out here in the sun. It is not hot here under the house. He knows how to stay cool in the shade. Now it is night. 3 dogs at a party on a boat at night. This one's playing the banjo. These 2 are playing checkers. He's got a lollipop. Dogs at work. Work, dogs, work. Dogs at play. Play, dogs, play. They're playing baseball. Got the baseball bat and the catcher and the umpire. Hello again. Hello. Do you like my hat? I do not like that hat. Goodbye again. Goodbye. I think she might be getting a little frustrated that he doesn't like her hats. Dogs in cars again. Going away fast. Look at those dogs go. Go, dogs, go. The light is green. They can go. But what is going to happen? Stop, dogs, stop. The light is red now. Oh, look at they put on the brakes. Go, dogs, go. The light is green now. Green light. Two dogs at play. At play up on top. Go down, dogs. Do not play up there. Go down. That looks pretty dangerous to me. Now it is night. Night is not a time for play. It is time for sleep. The dogs go to sleep. They will sleep all night. I think this one's having a hard time falling asleep. He's the last one awake. Now it is day. The sun is up. Now is the time for all dogs to get up. Get up! It is day. Time to get going. Go, dogs, go. This one slept under the bed. There they go. Look at those dogs go. Why are they going fast in those cars? What are they going to do? Where are those dogs going? Look where they are going. They are all going to that big tree over there. Now the cars stop. Now all the dogs get out, and now look where they are going. To the tree, to the tree. That is a very tall tree. Up the tree, up the tree. Up they go to the top of the tree. Why? Will they work there? Will they play there? What is up there on top of that tree? Are you ready to see? A dog party! Woohoo! A big dog party! Big dogs, little dogs, red dogs, blue dogs, yellow dogs, green dogs, Black dogs and white dogs are all at a dog party. What a dog party! Look at them swinging. I see an ice cream cone. Jumping. Oh, look at flowers and cake. There's a lazy one. Hello again. And now, do you like my hat? I do. What a hat. I like it. I like that party hat. She's got everything in that hat, doesn't she? Goodbye. Goodbye. Hey, Levi. Do you like my hat? I hope so. I love you.